Hello dear students and friends. So welcome to my channel. So today I am going to discuss very important topic, that is IV fluid flow rate calculation. So this is very important topic for examination point of view. Many times they have asked these questions in AIMS, JIPMER, PGI Chandigarh. So at least one question will come from this topic. So please see the video until the topic completes. So let's begin with the IV fluid flow rate calculation. Okay. So for IV fluid flow rate calculation, we have a formula, that is drops per minute is equal to ml per hour into drop factor divided by 60. So this is a formula for this IV fluid flow rate calculation, that is a drops per minute is equal to ml per hour into drop factor divided by 60. Okay. So now let's calculate with an example. So here is a question. Question number 1. A physician has advised to infuse IV fluid, normal saline, 1200 ml in 10 hours. Then how many drops per minute nurse keeps? Okay, and they give drop factor, that is 1 ml is equal to 20 drops. So this is a question. A physician has advised to infuse IV fluid, that is normal saline, 1200 ml in 10 hours. Then how many drops per minute a nurse keep? Okay. So drop factor they have given 1 ml is equal to 20 drops. So by this question we understand that a nurse is using a macro drip set, because macro drip set have a bigger drops. So that is why 1 ml is equal to 20 drops. In case of micro drip set, there is a 1 ml is equal to 60 drops. So here we have to use this formula again, that is a ml per hour into drop factor divided by 60. Okay. So here we have got a drop factor. Drop factor we have ml per hour, we don't know. We have to calculate that one. And drop factor is how much here? 20 drops. So that is a 20 divided by 60 is, it is a standard one. Okay. So here we need to calculate the ml per hour. So how to calculate ml per hour here? See, 1200 ml, that has to go in a 10 hours. Okay. So in 10 hours, total 1200 ml has to be infused. So that is in 1 hour, how much? It is 1200 divided by 10. So this will go. So that is 120 ml has to infuse in 1 hour. That is nothing but a 120. That is nothing but 120 ml per hour. So this is how we have to calculate the ml per hour, because ml per hour is not been given here. So that we have to calculate. Okay. So that is 1200 ml has to go in 10 hour, means how much it has to go in 1 hour. So that is 10 hours 1200 ml, in 1 hour it is a 120 ml. So thereby we calculate the ml per hour. Okay. Now we have to add this ml per hour into the formula. Okay. So that is drops per minute is equal to ml per hour, how much we have got? 120. Okay. And this is a drop factor is 20 divided by 60. So 20 ones are 23s are 3 ones are 3 4s are, so 30 is 40. So we have got 40 drops per minute. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. So the nurse has to keep a 40 drops per minute. Okay. So we can see with another example. Suppose a physician has advised to infuse IV fluid, okay, that is 2 pint RL and 2 pint NS in 20 hours. In 20 hours, then how many drops per minute a nurse keeps? And draw factor here is, if they give draw factor, 1 ml is equal to 60 drops. Okay. Then how many drops per minute nurse has to keep? So in this question again the formula is same, that is a drops per minute is equal to ml per hour into drop factor divided by 60. So here we know the drop factor is 60. Okay. So ml per hour we don't know, we need to calculate, and drop factor is 60 here they have given, and this indicates that they are using the micro drip set, that is a pediatric drip set, micro drip set, and divided by 60 is the standard one. So this 60 will go. So here drops per minute is equal to ml per hour. Means if you calculate the ml per hour, that is only the drop per minute. Okay, because drops per minute is equal to ml per hour. So here we have to calculate the ml per hour. Okay, that is 2 pint RL and 2 pint NS. Okay, so 1 pint is equal to 500 ml. So here how many pints are there? Fluid 2 pint RL, 2 pint NS. So that is total 4 pint are there to be infused. Okay, that is 4 into 500 ml. That is nothing but 2000 ml fluid has to be infused. In how many hours? That is in a 20 hours. Okay. So that is in 20 hours 2000 ml, that is a 4 pint has to be infused. In 1 hour 2000 divided by 20. So this 200, that is 100 ml is to be infused in a 1 hour, that is nothing but 100 ml per hour. So this is 100 ml per hour, means here drops per minute is equal to ml per hour. So 100 ml per hour is nothing but 100 drops per minute, because in case of micro drip set, when the drop factor is 60 drops per minute, how many ml per hour is there? That many drops per minute we have to keep. So drops per minute is equal to 100 drops per minute. Okay, so this is in case of micro drip set, when the drop factor is 1 ml is equal to 60 drops. Okay, so one more example we'll see. Suppose a physician has advised to infuse IV fluid RL 3600 ml in 12 hours. 12 hours, okay. And the draw factor they have given, they may change the draw factor, okay. They may change the draw factor, that is 1 ml is equal to 15 drops. 1 ml is equal to 15 drops. So in this case, we have to keep in mind that here the draw factor is changed, that is 1 ml is equal to 15 drops. So here again drops per minute is equal to ml per hour, we need to calculate, and draw factor is they have given 15 divided by 60. Okay. So here how many they have told, how much the fluid has to be infused, that is RL 3600 ml, it has to infuse in 12 hours. Okay. So in 12 hours 3600 ml has to be infused, means in 1 hour 3600 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 threes are, that is nothing but 300 ml has to infused in 1 hour. Okay, that is nothing but a 300 ml per hour. So in this case we have got now ml per hour, that is a 300 ml per hour. So now add this data into the formula. Okay, so drops per minute is equal to ml per hour is how much you got? 300 ml per hour into 15, because here drop factor is 15 they have mentioned. So that is why in question you have to see drop factor how much they have mentioned. According to that you have to put the drop factor in the formula. Okay, so drop factor they have mentioned 15 divided by 16. So 15 ones are 15 fours are, so 4 ones are 4 sevens are 4 fives. So here drops per minute is equal to 75 drops per minute. Okay, so this is what the calculation of eye fluid flow rotation. Okay, so this is very important for examination point of view. Okay, so please remember this formula and do the calculation. Only calculation is ml per hour we have to calculate, and thereby we can easily get the drops per minute. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like this video, please press the like button and share to your friends, as well as if you are new to this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.